coffee khat sim nge medium light roast coffee beans 50 grams mandu hin grinding course 320 medium grinding course ai mandu he chi grinding machine he bana chi equipment he en tunia mandu chemex akitin drinks he chi he ale boiler kettle pot akitin temperature he tunia drinks kisim di chemex hin chi chu he ale 90 degree temperature hot kimanga kisim ding he ji chu coffee ola bet ki bol ding hin chi du ja chu tui sang ki mang he coffee grind ki bol chu metal filter chunga hi hoi ta ki the zala ki koi tu chena level ki bol tu chena achunga tui sa ola ki sunghin a process hi ai ale ni omin masapen hi 100 ml 1 minute ki sung de he tu hi ola 100 ml 1 minute sunga hi sun de he drink si total hi under 2 minute na sim chai de te nga he specialty coffee hin method hi pour over method to khat hin ekip hi na hi ale metal filter a ki hin pour over a paper filter ki mang hin hi cha hi chemex a hi metal filter ki mang he adanga jong hi paper filter mang jong min hi wang hi salai ke hin metal filter ka mang he minute khat hling tan to hi second process pa hi 1 minute mama process I sim de hin water hi hong tam jep ni 120 ml sun de hi total hi drink si 220 ml pha ding hi ja chu second process pa hi 1 minute 120 ml sun de hi chi hi chemex in hi chi coffee hi less acidity less bitterness smooth clear flavorful cup of coffee tia chu ki he I mean hi chemex he